right, I know this is, but I wanted to do this because we're getting ready to roll out. Like it's Christmas Eve, we're going to church, then we're gonna go take pictures, then we're gonna go just spend some family time. But this was a target, and that's what this whole video is about. It's about setting targets and goals and keeping them. Now, I've already made one. I know a lot of people reached out. They were like, "Hey, man, I love the goals, love the videos thing. What should I be really focused on for 25?" And this is something that I wanted to share with you guys before I go. I think this is probably going to be the most impactful and important video I make. It'll actually be short. Look, you need to focus on how much cash flow for 25. What is your goal? What is your goal? Cash flow. Cash flow. Your whole year for 2025 as an investor should be about cash flow. Like how much cash flow do you really need or want? What is your goal, right? How do you set that up? So if you think about that, let's say, and I'll go over this because I was talking to this other person about this. Let's say you want to make $120,000 a year, right? Or 10K a month, whatever. Show you guys how to do this. So this is the goal, 120,000 a year in cash flow. This is passive. This passive income, right? You ain't trying to go off and buy a deal by yourself. Like this is important. Now you can go buy real estate deals. You can run your business. That's great. But that's different from that's an income goal. Everybody has a revenue target goal, revenues, all that stuff. This is passive cash flow, which is why I said I'm rushing through this. I always talk fast. You know, I don't actually talk fast in real life. I don't, but I do it on videos. So let's say stick with me in this. If you wanted to make $120,000 in passive income cash flow a year, take that divided by 5%, you would need to have 2.4 million invested in something that pays 5%, right? Like our deals. We target 5% a year on our deals, period. So if knowing that, and over the next 12 months, you would need to figure out how to come up with $200,000 a month saved, right? That's $2.4 million invested, kicking off 5% a year is going to give you that $120,000 a year, right? Times 4 weeks, you need to figure out how to bring in $50,000 a month over and above what you're already doing. And that's if you're going to do it 7 days a week, you need to figure out how to come up with $7,142.85 a day, right? Yeah, a day. So is that simple enough for you guys? You like, dude, how do I create another $7,000 a day? 7 days a week, right? 30 days a month. Or 31 for 12 months. Boom. That'll give you 2.4 million invested. Let's say you invested in a deal with us and we hit our targets, right? 5%. That'll give you 2.4, $120,000 a year annually in cash flow, passive income. That's how you set a goal. Now, how you go about getting to that goal is totally up to you, right? If your goal is passive income of 120,000, you know you need to generate $2.4 million a year. What do you need to do that? Let's say you don't do it in 2 years. 12 months. And for 25, let's say it takes you 2 years. What do you care? You have a goal. Now you have a target. Now your target is broken down from 30 days to 12 months to how much money do we need to make a day? Biggest question I always ask myself when I'm setting a goal or a target, who's done it? Who's done it? Has somebody done that? Who? Not what to do, not what, never what, always who. Has someone done it? Because if someone's done it, it's possible, right? You just need to look and be like, hey, you know what? Someone's done it. It is possible, right? Is there 2.4 million out there in the universe? Absolutely. Are you an accredited investor with 300,000 or more liquid in the bank? I want you to come and partner with me. Look, if you love real estate, passive income, and positive cash flow, appreciation over long periods of time, and you're willing to be patient, come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com. This is for accredited investors with 300,000 or more in the bank, ready to go. Come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com.